Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious hot honey orange pepper salmon recipe. This recipe is extremely easy and it tastes absolutely delicious. Before I begin, please take a quick moment to subscribe if you're new here. Also leave a like if you enjoyed today's recipe, and let's jump right in. To begin, I am using 1 pound of salmon. I am going to remove the skin. However, you can leave the skin. I just didn't want to deal with the skin today. Don't judge me, okay? Now, once I'm done removing the skin of the salmon, I am going to cut the salmon. I am going to fillet the salmon into 3 pieces, 3 even pieces, and then we are going to season. I'm using Old Bay seasoning, the orange pepper seasoning, dry parsley, and some paprika to season my salmon. I didn't need any salt because the Old Bay and the orange pepper has salt already in it, so I didn't need any extra salt. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on both sides of the salmon, rub that in, and then we're going to sprinkle the seasoning on the salmon. Now I'm going to flip the other side and season the other side as well. And please do not forget the side of the salmon, because it's a common mistake a lot of people make. They just season on top and the side is just looking unseasoned. So make sure to add some season on the sides as well. Now, to a medium high heat skillet, I am going to drizzle about 3 tablespoons of olive oil on there. Then I am going to place the salmon in there. Now I'm going to cook the salmon for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Okay, you want to fully cook your salmon unless you're looking into placing it in the oven, which I'm not going to do. So fully cook your salmon 5 minutes per side. Now I'm going to flip it over, cook the other side as well. Now we're going to remove the salmon, set it aside. We are about to make our sauce, okay? This sauce hit different. When I tell you it's different. I came up with the sauce out of nowhere. I'm like, okay, this might be a good combo. And it was, okay? So I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I love cooking with unsalted butter. Don't ask me why, because I like adding my own salt to things. So once that is melted, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm going to cook the garlic for about 10 seconds. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add the honey in there and give it a mix. Also, we are going to add our red hot sauce or any type of hot sauce you have in hand. You are going to pour that in there. This is about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Mix it up together. Next, I am going to be adding some OJ. Now, last video or the one before that, I used a little bit of water. I didn't have chicken broth. A lot of you guys were like, oh, don't cook with water. I truly understand. I understand what you're saying. Since we're making orange pepper, I added some OJ in there, mixed that together just to dilute it, the butter a little bit. And basically you got yourself a sauce, a sweet and tangy and spicy at the same time type of sauce. It goes so well with this fish. I love the combo. I love the flavor profile. You should give it a try and let me know how you like it. Now, if you do have some orange slices, you can add some in there. Not too much because you don't want the sauce to taste bitter, but add that in there, just a few slices, and then baste your salmon. I am going to add some fresh parsley on there. And you guys, this is the recipe. It's extremely easy to make. Let me know down below in the comment what type of side would you eat with this salmon. Leave it in the comment section. And this salmon recipe was so flaky. It was cooked to perfection. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. Thumbs up the video if you did enjoy it. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.